Hello guys and welcome back to your channel. I love 164. So this is another really cool Lamborghini from Mini GT. It's a Liberty Walk Murciélago GT EVO. Here's your packing. After a very long time we got something in yellow. If we talk about Lamborghinis from Mini GT. And let's open this up. Wow, I'm digging this one. Look at that. Awesome. Cool detailing on the bottom and aerodynamics here. A really cool car actually. Let's play this on the turntable and have a closer look. Okay, so this is your awesome Lamborghini Murciélago. Liberty Walk kits always look great on these cars. They look just perfect. This color with black trim on it looks really cool. I like the headlight details, the number 5, the LB Walk logo on it. On the side it says Liberty Walk. The skirt looks cool. Look at that back, the huge back of the Murciélago. The spoiler, the scoop on the top. Man, this is just mesmerizing to see a Lamborghini like this. And I mentioned it earlier, I'll always say I really like the exhaust detailings they put on these kind of Lamborghinis. They are blue, sometimes dark blue, like they are burnt due to high flames. Sometimes they are gray. This one actually is blue and it is really cool. So this is the second color of this car from Mini GT. The first one was black, all black, and now this. Wow, happy to add it in my collection. Happy. So that was your Lamborghini Murciélago from Liberty Walk. Does this roll? Yes, it rolls perfectly and looks really cool. Really cool. Let's put this here. Let's park this here. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.